In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change host controls to others in Google Meet. Whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or just someone who organizes online meetings, it's important to know how to delegate hosting responsibilities to another participant. This feature can help keep your meetings running smoothly, even if you're unable to attend. Let's dive in and take a closer look at this process, ensuring you're fully prepared to pass on hosting duties when needed. Firstly, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Calendar. This is where you'll usually schedule your Google Meet links and manage your events, making it the ideal place to begin our task. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, look through your calendar to locate the specific event for which you want to change the host. Click on the event to open its details. This is your central hub for making changes to the meeting and viewing other settings. Now, once the event details are open, you'll see an option to join the meeting with Google Meet. This is a crucial step, as joining the meet will bring you into the actual conference environment where you can implement host control changes. Click on this option to proceed to the Google Meet interface. Upon joining the meet, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll notice a button labeled More Actions. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options for managing your meeting. Here, you'll find the option to change the meeting owner. This is essentially what allows someone else to gain host controls. Select the Change Owner option. You will then be presented with a list of participants who are already invited to the meeting. Carefully browse through this list and select the participant to whom you wish to pass the hosting privileges. Clicking their name sets them as the new host candidate. Following your selection, the final step is to confirm the change by clicking on Change Owner. It's a straightforward process that ensures your meeting is always under capable management, even if you need to step away. It's worth noting that the participant you select will receive an email notification about this change, thus facilitating a smooth transition of responsibilities. By following these steps, you can effectively reassign the role of the host to another participant in your Google Meet session. This not only helps in managing your meetings more efficiently, but also empowers other team members or participants to take on leadership roles. Remember to utilize this feature as it can be instrumental in maintaining continuity and order in your virtual gatherings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful.